Good morning. Today, got my hairband right here because I'm gonna tie it up when I'm doing the shopping. But today I wanted to do something that I've been wanting to do for a while, and that's film a $100 Ross challenge. So let's see what kind of outfit I can put together. It has to be either $100 or less. I'm gonna shoot for less, obviously, because your boy is always saving. But Ross is back there somewhere, so let's go. So there's Ross right there, behind the tree. $100 or less. Let's go. All right, first things first. We gotta peep the sneaker section. We gotta find size 11. Hopefully they got something. Look at these. Should I just wear these? Dad shoes on a whole nother level, size 20. All right, so they got these right here. Tommy Hilfiger slides, size 12. But I know I'm always being comfy, but I kind of want to do sneakers and stuff. And that's hella weird. I think I remove my feet. They got these right here in a size 14. These are kind of tight though. These are actually like USA. See the stars right here? And it actually has the stripes as well. So these might be the go-to. Gotta keep 11. This makes my girl feel a little uncomfortable with all these ones. The Crocs Nike collab, size 11 and a half. They have the bands right here, size 10. But it's a little too small. Alright, so sneaker section is kind of lacking, but this is probably gonna be the one I'm gonna have to go with. It'll be the easiest to match as well. Converse size 10 and a half. Alright guys, so I'm debating between these three. You know these gray ones right here with the orange and the pockets and strings, plain black, and then plain gray. Depending on the top is how I'm gonna make the decision. So we'll see. All three? Orange Nike shirt? Yeah, this might be it. What with the black? What? So you guys know how people like to wear like the fear of God, like checkered pants. You low-key could get away with this if you wore pajamas. As long as you wear like sweats or like tights underneath, it looks a lot thicker and you could actually get away with it. As you can see right there, it doesn't even look like pajamas if I didn't tell you guys they were. So I might have to go with these actually. So. Amen to fashion. What? This might be the move. Tommy? What do you think? Tommy with these? Yeah.
Yeah, the red on red.
Alright, now I'm just debating if I should go for the large or the double XL because you know your boy always staying cozy, so we might have to go for the bigger size. Alright guys, so the next thing I gotta look for is a top, because you know I'm always wearing a beanie or at least a hat. Alright guys, so I think we did pretty well. This one right here is actually $7.99. These pajama pants right here are $6.99, so that's 8 plus 7 is 15. This is a basic red Tommy tee, and this one is $12.99. So that puts us at 28. The shoes, the all whites, are $29.99, so these are 30. So that puts us at what, 58? So $58, way under 100. Now it's time to just put the outfit together. If you want to see how it looked exactly in the picture, follow me on Instagram. The link is down below. Man, I look extra red right now, but yo, I'm in the fitting room right now. So I'm gonna put together the outfit right now, and then I'll throw the shoes on when I get outside and show you guys. Little lookbook, let's go. Alright, y'all, the fit's looking right. All I gotta do is throw on the white Converse. We good, let's go. Alright guys, so we're only at $58, so I'm actually gonna try and get a pair of shades to go with the outfit. Just dropped my beanie. Trying to get a pair of shades, so let's see which ones we can mess with. Ooh, the pinks right here. These are kind of tight. These look like my Gold Gods shades. Got the yellow ones right here too. These are kind of fire as well. I might have to mess with these. Alright, so what do you guys think? I think these shades are actually kind of cool. I think these are kind of tight. I might have to go with these. They do go with the beanie too, so I Damn, extra blurry. Alright guys, so I just got done filming that little mini lookbook. I feel like my previous lookbooks have been a little too long, so now I'm just basically showing you guys what y'all need to see, and that's it. If you guys want to see outfit check, I got the Kobe looking wrap tee, black mamba, seat in the back. Got the orange sweats and the slides on with the boo-boo and the new sunglasses or eyeglasses. But we're here at IKEA. The boo-boo needs some coffee to wake up. It's cold. Going down. Hey look, it's a free ride except you don't have to pay a quarter. Walking back out because the homie's actually about to pick up the Polo Sport backpack. Homie's here. I think. Is that me? How you bro? What's up, bro? How are you, man? Good, good. Alright guys, so I just made that purchase right there. I just made that sale. I could have sold it for a little bit more, but it was the homie who hit me up. So I sold it to him for $20. I honestly could have sold it for like $25, $30, but maybe even $35 because it's the like mini backpack that you don't really see. But I had to hook the homie up. Shout out to RJ and Tasha for them picking up the bag. It was for his girlfriend, so much appreciated, yo. Let's go. Alright guys, we're here at In-N-Out, if you can see it.
Hi, how are you?
Hello.
Any questions?
No, just spread please.
Sorry?
Spread.
Have a good one.
Thank you, you too. Yo, just got home. You know what that means? Gotta let the hair down, boy. But yeah, I just got back home, or not home, but to the boo-boo's crib. About to eat right now, about to go in on the In-N-Out because your boy and your girl is hungry. But after we eat, we're probably gonna cook dinner. We're gonna get some pasta going. But yeah, just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit. Give me some feedback down below what you guys thought about this video. If you guys want me to do more challenges like $100 H&M, Forever 21, Walmart again, Burlington. I know a lot of people have done it before, like the $100 like H&M challenge and stuff like that, but honestly, I don't think their fits are that tight. So, you know, they're not as cozy as your boys' fits. And just a tip, as you guys saw in the video, if you guys saw the little lookbook, it's okay to wear pajamas. And the trick to that is if the pajamas are really thin, all you gotta do is wear leggings underneath or wear really tight either sweats or even jeans, because when you throw it on top of it, it's actually gonna look really thick and the material is not gonna look like extra wavy, so it'll be dope to wear. But yeah, pajamas are a good alternative to wearing like the Fear of God, like checkered pants and all those pants, only because it's for the low, like super cheap. You can find pajamas anywhere and they're always gonna be super cheap. Just to let you guys know, if you do wanna see a picture of your boy's outfit, the one that I did in the lookbook with the pajamas and everything, posted a fire picture on my Instagram. The link is down below, so make sure to go check it. Go follow me and go like the picture and go comment it and do everything on it. But the main reason why I want you guys to follow me is because I'm always posting pictures of items that I'm selling on my Instagram and on my Instagram story. So everything I buy kind of sells pretty quickly from the thrifts. So if you're new to the channel, I sell everything through Instagram, no website, no nothing. I take PayPal or Venmo and some other payment options. But if you want to buy some items, just follow me on Instagram. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's time to wrap it up. to the coziest in the gang. Amen to fashion. What's good?